I'd like to say it's a real honor to be among you all. We are Daily Wage, and we connect daily wage casual workers with prospective employers from homes and businesses. Meet Anita, a homemaker from Bangalore, and she has a need for an electrician to fix some wiring. Salman is one such electrician also in Bangalore. As of now, the avenues that Anita has to meet Salman are word of mouth, where friends and family recommend people, and this leads to a lack of choice. Or she can go through middlemen who usually charge a very hefty commission. Both are not very viable alternatives. Enter Daily Wage. We are an online community where employers can see and choose users based on their past, choose workers based on their past reviews and performance. Workers will receive these job alerts through SMS and will be able to respond. The value add here is to the employer. We help them find workers easily and make better choices. The workers are able to find more jobs and better jobs, quality and quantity. Our market is divided into two segments, the employer market and the labor segment. In the employer market, we're targeting middle to high income households. So in the urban India, that's about 38.5 million households. In the urban labor market in India, 22% of them are casual labor, and that comes to 68.25 million casual laborers. We are here providing an overview of how our technology works. Anita will be able to show her preferences, her locality, phone number, and searches for workers based on their occupation and other criteria. After she searches for workers, she selects a few workers and enters them in Daily Wage. We send a message to workers who match a profile like Salman here, who also prefer the same area, and they will get a message talking about the work, the locality, and the expected wage. If they are available on that day, they can respond. Once they do respond that they are available, we share the information between the employers and the workers, and the employer is free to contact them and get the work done. Our competitors in this segment will include online services like barber jobs and domestic labor. Online services will tend to focus on long-term employment and provide very basic work information, while local agencies are usually have very few worker roles and charge very hefty commissions on up to 20-30%. What we are doing is we are focusing on a different area of the market, the small duration jobs, the short-term jobs that no one else has focused on. We think that these people have not yet been impacted by technology, and we can help empower them. So what we are planning to do is start with the beachhead of the Marathahalli, Koramangala and BTM layout sections in Bangalore. This is appropriate for us since it's a residential area with a very large immigrant population, especially those who have no knowledge of local labor and are also tech savvy. So this will roughly give us about 20,000 households to start with. Our approach to the market is divided into three different phases. The setup phase is for the first 3 months, where we focus on setting up the workplace, the building up an initial database of about 100 employees, and selected job sectors like carpenters and painters, distributing to a few. In the launch stage for the next 6 to 8 months, what we do is we focus on marketing to increase the employee numbers, and we do registration of more employees through outsource centers and field work, increasing the number of workers we have in the database. We also deliver a noticeable job value to the workers by increasing the number and quantity of jobs that they get in a month. Next is the self-sustained phase, where we achieve break-even and deliver an average of 5 jobs per month to workers. Then we expand to all areas of Bangalore. So this is a visual representation of how we plan to go over it. As you can see, we start from BTM, and then we, over the next 10 quarters, we expand to all areas. Our financial projections for this are as seen. We expect to break even between the 7th to 8th quarter, that's about 2.5 years. And the team is composed of Archit. He is an entrepreneur and a student at BITS Pilani with interest in finance and consumer psychology. Yash, another graduate from BITS Pilani, software engineer and web designer. Myself, T. Akashya, with technical knowledge in user experience design and web services. And Siddharth Seth, also an entrepreneur who has co-founded a startup, one of the top 30 startups in India, as offered by NEN. Thank you. Any questions?